Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Citroen Berlingo van. This is a 2019 on a 19 plate, finished in the lovely pure white paintwork. The van itself is in very nice order throughout. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. We're riding on those nice wheel trims, 15-inch steel wheels. Inside we've got comfortable seating for three. Obviously on these Berlingos you get all the lovely mod cons. So inside wise you can tell all the footwells are in nice order. It's never seen any hard use. All the seats are in nice condition as well. They're not all discoloured, ripped and turred. We've got side entry on the passenger side. We've got the factory metal bulkhead with the load through liner. We've got ply lining all throughout as well, which is a nice thing to have. Lighting to the roof, twin entry to the back. As you can tell, only very light use in this van, so all the ply lining is in nice order. Even the sort of entryways, they're in nice condition as well. We've got rear parking sensors there. Looking down the side of the van, panels are nice and straight. And then specification wise, these are impressive vans. So we've got park folding mirrors, front electric windows, obviously volume and media control, that's all operated off the panel there. We've got cruise control and speed limiter, automatic lights. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 34,473 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, we'll start at the radio first of all. So clicking through to frequency or source, we've got radio there, we've got USB and iPod, all your options there. So you've got your different bands, you've got DAB and FM, so all of the extended channels. Pressing back through, vehicle information, so your parking sensors, inflation, diagnostics. You can have satellite navigation on this vehicle via the mirror link, so just connect it via the USB and your sat nav will pop up off there on the via your phone. You've got your settings, so ambient lighting or the ambient sort of detailing, so you've got orange and red. Language, date and time, telephones on there, so all forms of connectivity, Bluetooth phone, mirror link, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got air conditioning on this one, fantastic for those warmer days. We've got heated wind mirrors, 5-speed manual transmission, but it drives absolutely spot on. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.